So I'm sitting at the fishing hole and I'm going to go through all of my cameras, and I hope it'll give you a better idea of what you want to buy, what you want to see in a camera. And I'll be focusing on the island out there, and I'll zoom in with the various lens types and settings, and then you can see what all my stuff does, and maybe you can choose what you want to get. So let's get started. This on the tripod is a sjcam 4000. It's 1080p, which is, I guess, a modern, it's the lowest resolution you usually use. And it has a 2.5x flat magnification lens, and it's pointed at the island. Notice, by the way, that all these cameras have view screens. It's pretty much standard, but the bottom is the mount, the right side has buttons, the left space doesn't have enough space, the top's your mount, the front's your camera. The only place you can put the floaty is right where the screen is. So the only way to look at these cameras is to get rid of the floaty, and then you lose them a lot. Now I'll zoom in and you'll see what 1080p sjcam 4000 looks like. That's the resolution. Now that's the magnification lens. I have another sjcam right here. This one has a stock lens, the regular, the ordinary lens you have here. So let's see first of all what it looks like on your stock lens. It's not a magnification lens, it's just a regular fisheye lens. sjcam m10. It's slightly newer than the 4000, and it's also a little bit more compact, but the same thing. You always have this view on the back where you have your floaty. So I'm going to run this stock. So that's the M10. It's a decent camera, but not much better than the 4000. And here's my best camera. This one's really nice. It's the sjcam m20. It's a 2K camera, so it's fantastic. And we're going to watch this in both regular mode, and we'll do it in camera mode. And recording a video. And now I'll zoom. This is 2K, so you can see how much sharper it is than 1080p, but it's still a fisheye lens. If I put a flat lens on it, it would be a lot better. Now I'm going to switch it to taking photographs. So video, photo. Let's go back over. This is my best camera. It has, check it out, the blue light on top, which is super convenient. This is 2K. It's almost as good as a 4K, but better than most 4K cameras. Most 4K cameras, they're like, they tout the resolution like it's 4K is better than 2. Don't believe it. It's all about the lens you have and how good the quality is. This is my 1080p small M20, or this is M10, and we showed that one. This one has a flat lens, which I stuck a new lens on here. A flat lens with no fisheye. This is my oldest camera, sjcam 4000. It's 1080p. And this is my sjcam with a 2.5 magnification lens. This one is always on the tripod. So I hope you understand now the difference, how good a resolution you can get when you switch these cameras into photo burst mode. Maybe that will help you figure out which camera you want to buy. The GoPro 6 Black should be fantastic for taking photographs.